Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Character.ai app. So all you have to do, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, then you click here on apps. So then come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Character.ai app, or just click on search. Then here add Character.ai app, you click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on first stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. Then you search here for Character.ai app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.